In this video, we are going to learn two methods for exporting only a selected layer or group in Affinity version 3. Let's start with the first method, which is a simple and quick way to export any layer or group. As you can see, I have several groups of layers in the Layers panel. First, select the layer or group you want to export. Then, click the Export PNG drop-down icon to open its dialog box. In this menu, make sure Selection Only is selected. Even though the menu is called Export PNG, you can actually choose any available file format from the drop-down list. If you want to export the selected layer or group with a transparent background, simply choose PNG as the file type. Then click Export, choose the destination location and file name, and click Save. That's the simple method. Now let's move on to the advanced method, which allows you to export multiple layers or groups at once, with separate image files for each individual layer or group. To do this, switch to the Slice persona. Then select any object, layer, or group, and click Create Slice. Open the Slices tab to see the slice you just created. Let's create a few more slices. Once they're created, go back to the Slices tab. These are the slices we just made. To export them all as individual image files, choose the file type, click Export Slices, select the destination location on your computer, and click Export. Now, the slices have been exported as individual PNG files. If you want to exclude any slices from being exported, simply turn off the eye icon next to the slice. You can also rename the slice to avoid overwriting a previously exported file. Then click Export Slices again. By default, Affinity will use the same destination location as the previous export. You can also click this icon to export only a single slice. Choose the destination location, file name, and file type, then click Save. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.